Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to add a reminder on your Google Keep for the notes on your mobile phone. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to set a reminder in your Google Keep on your mobile phone, just going to show. So for example, I just need to have a discover about this topics in the phone. I just need to make it as a reminder in some time. So for that, first of all, open the node. You just need to create as a reminder. Then you can find a plus symbol on the top. You can see near the pin symbol. Click on this, so it will show remind me later. It will be saved in your Google Reminders. So you can just choose tomorrow morning or tomorrow evening or Friday morning, like that. Or you have this option to pick a place on pick a date and time. Click on this pick a date and time. Now you have this two options like a place and a time. I just go with the time. You have to choose the day first or pick a date from the calendar directly. For an example, 24, and click OK. Now you have this option to have a time, or you can just make a customized time like a pick a time option. So you can just choose your own time. And here another option to does not repeat or daily or weekly or monthly. You can just set it as a custom option too. Then after making this, click on the save option. So you can see the reminder on the bottom of the notes you just created. We can just click on the reminder option. You can edit the reminder whenever you just need it. It's simple. So this is how you just create a reminder for a note. You can see the preview also. You have this reminder here with a color option too. So this is how you just create a reminder on your Google Keep on your mobile phone. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful and also a beautiful day.